Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a plant care widget to your iPhone home screen. So as you can see here, directly on my home screen or iPhone home screen, I have here an Arrosa widget. Pretty cool, right? And before we start, I would like to teach you how to download the app. So go ahead and open up your camera and then just point the camera on the QR code right here and just tap on App Store. And then once it loads, tap on Get right here. If you're currently using your phone to view this video, well, you can just go ahead and manually type it down in your App Store. Okay, just type down Arrosa, Arrosa, tap on it, and then just tap on Get. Once it's installed, open it up. And then let's go ahead and add in a plant so that our widget can read or has information to display. Add a plant right here, just tap on the plus sign, and then let's say you have an arrowhead plant. And by the way, if you don't know the name of the plant, you can just go ahead and tap on identify with a photo. It's pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on arrowhead plant right here, and then let's return to our home screen. So as you can see here, I've already added this one. As you can see, my arrowhead plant needs to be watered. Cool notification for a widget. Now to go ahead and to add in a widget, tap and hold on a blank screen. Now tap on the edit function at the very top. And then go ahead and tap on add widget. Tap on it. Now in the list, just go ahead and find Arrosa or the Arrosa app. If you can't find it, well, use the search function and just type down ARRO, Arrosa. Tap on it and the widgets available will be listed. Now, if you're just using the free version of Arrosa, the available widget is the first one. So these two right here, which are pretty cool widgets, as you can see, this bigger one is really, really good. You'll be able to see all of your plant's needs. Okay? But for the free version, only one. For the premium version, you have 3 and 5. Right? So let's say you wanted to add the second one. Add widget. Now place it wherever you want and then just click on done. There you go. As you can see here, it needs premium account. And again, as you can see here, per plant you'll get notified. It says here, one plant to water, which is our arrowhead plant. It's pretty easy to read. Now, if you get a notification like this, all you got to do is just tap on the widget itself and it will open up your Arrosa plant section, right? And the cool thing about this, you could go ahead over to Quest or Settings, it's up to you. But the easiest one, go to Quest, select your preferred gardens right here. Let's say night garden. Okay, and just wait a bit for about 5 to 10 seconds so that it will reflect onto your widget as well. Because sometimes it will take some time to reflect. Okay, you can tap on it again, go back, and it should be good to go, right? So most of the backgrounds right here or garden will be unlocked depending on how much points you get, right? Or stars. So it says here, next award, Pearl Watering Can. So this is it. I've already unlocked a Prism Watering Can. This is pretty cool. So if you have questions, plant care suggestions, or ideas for future Arrosa features, you can also join the Arrosa's community on Discord. And the invitation link is in the description below. And by the way, when you go ahead and tap on premium right here, all right, you can subscribe monthly or annually. You can get unlimited plants and photos, as well as exclusive widgets. Again, you'll unlock the 2 great widgets from Arrosa. For the free version, you'll get 5 plants right here, just for free. Now, if you want to add more, you get unlimited. So again, download the app from the iPhone App Store or scan the QR code right there on the right side of your specific display. And that is how you add a plant care widget to your iPhone home screen. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.